Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Today I am starting exercise 9C, which is on page number 104. Solve the following question number 1. I am starting with A part. In the previous lecture, we did exercise 9B and we solved equation for variables. This time also we will be solving for variables. But in the previous lecture, you have seen in exercise 9B that there was addition and subtraction. We were solving equations by adding or subtracting the extra number while we were solving for x. Now in this you can see that variable is divided by constant. Variable is divided by constant and another constant is given after equal to. So you can see there is division. Here also in B sum you can see this variable is multiplied with this coefficient. I hope you know what are coefficients, what are variables, what are constants. I hope you know. Or should I revise it with you? Quickly see what are coefficients. The number which is attached with variable is known as coefficient. Okay, the number which is attached with variable is known as coefficient. This is variable. And the number which is written without any variable is known as constant. Okay, the number which is written without any variable is known as constant. So let's see how we will solve. Don't forget that we solve only for variables. We have to take out value of this variable x. Now how we will solve? Solution. This x is divided by this 5. If you remember in exercise 9b, whenever the extra thing was given with variable, if it was given in plus, we were subtracting it. And if it was given in with minus sign, we were adding it. For example, see this thing. See, addition and subtraction is given. Now, if I have to take out the value, this was given in plus, extra attached with variable. So if I have to remove this was given in plus 5, I was subtracting it with 5, then whatever I did over here, I added over here, I added here after equal to as well. This was reduced, this was reduced. X is equals to 15 minus 5 is equals to, I got the value of x, which is 10. Likewise, students, here also whatever is given, now if it is given in division, I will multiply with this extra number. Okay, if it is given in multiplication, you will divide it to reduce it, because I know that this, if this is given in denominator, if I will multiply with the same number, this and this will be reduced. Yes or no? So likewise, if I have to reduce this 5, if I have to cut this 5, cancel this 5 is divided by variable, I will multiply by 5. Same number you write but with opposite sign. Divide, multiply. Divide, multiply. Plus ka we were writing minus. Minus ka we were writing plus. Okay. Now let's see. X upon 5. This is an original question. Now I have to reduce, I have to cut, cancel this 5. So I will multiply it with 5. Don't forget, this is numerator position, this is denominator position. Denominator position can only cancel with numerator position. So I have added multiply by 5 in numerator position. If I want to see what is in the denominator, there is 1. I don't write 1 in the denominator position because it's obvious that there is 1. So I will just don't write it. Okay, multiply by 5 I have added over here. So same thing I will do after equal to. Don't forget, whatever you do before equal to, you do after equal to as well. This was extra thing which I added in my question. In my solution, same thing I will do here as well. Now this 5 ones are, it is cut. X is equals to, this is left, 3 multiplied by 5. X is equals to 15. Very easy. You just have to see that whether the x is multiplying, divide, plus, minus, opposite thing you do. Plus का opposite is what? Minus. Multiply का opposite is what? Divide. Divide का opposite is what? Multiply. Okay, you just have to remember this thing.